Dear students, here I am with a video relating to the next unit, that is your chapter 2 or next unit, income from other sources. This is a easy and simple unit. So first capital gain we have finished. Next income from other sources we are going to finish. Remaining things already I kept in the Google Drive, which are provided to you all through the link given in the description. So without wasting any more time, let us start the income from other sources. Income from other sources chapter, which is little bit easy. I am not saying simple, but it is comparatively easy to the other topics. So focus on this topic, both theory and problems. You may get short question, you may get long question and a theory question from this. So if you prepare well from easily from this chapter, you can get one short question 4 marks plus one long question 15 marks. Sometimes if you write well, you will get one more question from the this chapter itself, long question, two long questions. So totally 34 marks. Similarly, capital gain also 15 plus 15, here again a 34 mark. Okay, and last unit assessment procedures. From there also you will get one short question, two long questions. So two theory questions you will get from assessment procedures. So 34 marks from there. So concentrate only on these three units. You can easily score the 100% of the question paper. So we may get one more additional question from any of these three units. So totally you can write 4 short questions 20 marks and 4 long questions 60 marks. Total 80 marks you can write. Some people who are not able to do the problems, for them I am saying you learn clubbing provisions theory and one more thing, what is that, set of carry forward theory. From there also you can get one theory question. So here two theory questions from the last unit, capital gains or other source, whichever you feel better. From there some questions will come. So that's it. Deductions chapter is there. From deductions also you may get a theory question. So deductions, clubbing and set of carry forward theory questions are important from the exam point of view. Previously deduction one theory question has been asked. This time maybe problem will be asked, we don't know. So plan well so that you can easily get through the things and score more because of additional benefit of choice. Because you are having more choice, you can get more marks easily. For that purpose you need to completely thoroughly, you need to study 3 units. That's it. That is the winning mantra, scoring marks. Total income also one theory question is there, procedure, that also you can learn. Okay, I don't want to waste any more time in this unit, explanation. So let us start our, so we are in the chapter called income from other source. So what it is, income from other sources says. First, what is income from other source means? Income from other source means any income which does not specifically fall under any of the four heads of income. Visualize income from salary, income from house property, प्रॉफिट एंड गेन्स ऑफ बिजनेस और प्रोफेशन एंड कैपिटल गेन्स. अगर इन चार में नहीं आ रहा कुछ भी इनकम, देन इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस. सो सैलरी इनकम मीन्स व्हाट, income from house property means what, we have already discussed all these things. So directly we will ask what is income from other source means and give the sum of the incomes which are taxable under the head income from other source. सर हमें ये याद रखना है क्या? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू पीपल विल आस्क, सर हमें ये याद रखना है कि डिस्कस नो. फर्स्ट थिंग in the income from other source chapter, under the income from other source chapter, you may get a short question also which related interest on securities related. One question will be asked, so direct one short question may be asked, so interest on securities यार्ड अपन सेपरेटली डिस्कस करेंगे, डोंट वरी. नेक्स्ट, डिविडेंड ऑन प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम इंडियन कंपनी up to 10 lakh rupees it is not taxable, exceeding 10 lakhs, above 10 lakhs it is taxable at the rate 10%. If dividend is received from other than Indian company, then it is fully taxable, that is foreign company. Other things we will discuss later on. Dividend related point also we will discuss in detail, don't worry. Interest on bank deposit, there can be of two types, one is savings bank, another one FD. So this interest related point also we will discuss later on. Casual incomes, winning from card games, lotteries, crossword puzzles, from any kind of gambling, betting nature of casual incomes. There may be direct question, what is casual income? Short question, remember. So casual incomes are taxable under the head income from other sources. How to do that we will discuss later. Don't. Rent or hire charges, acha, any sum received by assessee from the employer as contribution to staff welfare schemes, that will be taxable under the head income from other source. Rent from subletting of the house, is taxable under the head income from other source. Suppose Mr. A is there, he is having a house property, he given it to Mr. B on rent. What are the conditions for the income should be taxable under the head house property? Assessee should be the owner and should receive rent. So whatever income or rent received by A from B, is taxable under the head house property. B is using only 50% of the house and remaining 50 B has given it to C. So B ने C को दिया, करेगा रेंट पे करेगा किसको? B को C रेंट पे करेगा. ये रेंट कहाँ पे आएगा? इनकम फ्रॉम other source में आएगा. This is called subletting of rent because B is not the owner of house property. So whatever rent received from C by this income from other source. That's it. Okay. Next, plant and machinery, furniture, etc. We will discuss it later. Whatever rent is receiving from higher land and machinery or etc. If is not uh, doing as a business or profession, then it will be taxable under the head income from other sources, and any related repairs, depreciation and other expenses for that purpose will be allowed as deduction from the income. Royalty received on books or patents is taxable under the head income from other sources. Directors fees received by the director. In case of company, director will hold some shares. So when he become the owner, he is not an employee. So director sitting fees will be taxable under the head income from other sources. एग्जामिनेशन रेम्यूनरेशन रिसीव्ड बाय टीचर्स, जो इन्विजिलेशन के लिए एग्जाम रेम्यूनरेशन मिलेगा वो. एग्रीकल्चर इनकम फ्रॉम फॉरेन एग्रीकल्चर लैंड. इन द लास्ट वीडियो relating to agriculture, I have detailedly explained about it. Foreign agriculture land, any income received from that is taxable under the head income from other sources. Rent from open land, एक ओपन लैंड है, इसके लिए मैंने कंपाउंड वॉल बना दिए और एक गेट लगा दिया, और इसके अंदर मैं गैरेज, पार्किंग के लिए गैरेज बना के व्हीकल्स के लिए क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे व्हीकल्स लगाने के लिए बोल दे रहा हूँ, लोग यहाँ पे लगा रहे. इट इज़ नॉट माई बिजनेस. हमारे पास इतना जगह है तो हम यूज़ कर रहे फॉर द पार्किंग. देन इट इज़ taxable. Whatever he is received from open land is taxable under the head income from other sources. ये उतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, छोड़ दो. रेम्यूनरेशन रिसीव्ड बाय MPs and MLAs. MPs MLAs गवर्नमेंट के एम्प्लॉय नहीं है. ओके, so their remuneration is taxable under income from other sources. Allowances received by MPs MLAs are exempt. Annuity received, that is annuity means here royalty itself. Lending from trademarks or copyrights is also taxable under their income from other sources. Interest on loan given. Suppose you are lending money to someone else, whatever interest received from that will be taxable under the head income from other. Interest on income tax or other tax refunds. Income tax refund is not income from other source, but interest on income tax refund is income from other sources. And this 23rd, gift received on or after 1/4/2019 either in cash or kind in excess of limit specified under section 56 to 10, 56 to subsection 2 clause 10. This gift related provisions we will discuss later, and I have already provided a video relating to gift. You can watch it from the description link. If time provides, we will discuss that one also in detail. So these are the major things you need to remember from the income from other sources. So कम से कम 10 पॉइंट्स या 15 पॉइंट्स आप रिमेंबर रखें तो एग्जाम के लिए अच्छा है और प्रॉब्लम करने के लिए भी और भी अच्छा रहेगा. So this is about one theory question which may be asked in the exam generally. And next bit is, I said, inter securities. Interest on securities we will discuss, I said. So before uh, calculation of interest on securities, first we need to know the nature of securities. So securities are classified as securities exempt from tax, tax-free securities and less tax securities. Under these securities exempt, which are exempt from tax, okay, there is a list here in the next page which we are going to discuss later, and this is very important. It will come for exam as a theory question. Don't worry, पढ़ के रखना. अगर एग्जाम में थियरी के जैसा नहीं पढ़े तो भी प्रॉब्लम के बीच में ये पॉइंट कोई एक आ जाएगा, और इफ यू टेक दैट एज टैक्सेबल इनकम देन योर आंसर विल गो रॉन्ग. सो securities exempt from tax list is there, that list we need to by heart either for theory 15 marks question or for solving the problem also we need to remember. So better to remember it. बहुत आसान रहेगा, डोंट वरी. दो तीन बार रोज पढ़े तो याद आ जाएगा. Already we have did and we wrote the exam related to it, but many days ago. Okay, let us see these things. Tax free securities, less tax securities, two types are there. Under tax free also there is one government, another one commercial. In commercial, listed in stock exchange, unlisted in stock exchange, two types are there. ये सब क्लासिफिकेशन है, बस ये सब क्लासिफिकेशन है. एंड लेस टैक्स में भी गवर्नमेंट एंड कमर्शियल. इन listed in stock exchange, unlisted in stock exchange, two types are there. ये listed unlisted से आपको कुछ भी लेने देने का नहीं है. They will give you, you need to remember that is securities बोल के एक क्वेश्चन दे देगा इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स वाला. तो आपको चॉइस ज़्यादा मिल रहा और क्वेश्चंस का